Whiskey 3, Papa, Charlie, Foxtrot.
Roger, Roger. What's the name, please, sir?
Handle is Randy, Richard, Adam, Nancy, David, yesterday.
Okay, Randy, looking at your signal, you are very unprocessed. You're running almost no processing, so your average peak modulation is, well, let's see, your 10 dB dynamic range with an average peak modulation of about 30%. I'm saying 30% average. So what we want to do, if you would be interested, would be to fatten your audio up a little bit, Roger.
Okay, I understand what you're saying. Unfortunately, I'm mobile right now, so you have too much tuning.
All righty. Well, that kind of reduces the possibilities there. Would you have a paper and pencil, and I could give you some notes?
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. I'm assuming your radio would have a compressor?
It's a Yaesu FT857 Delta, so I'm not sure about that.
I say, well, if your radio does have a compressor, engage it and put it at about a 3. Run it engaged at about a 3. Roger?
Okay, I'll do that. Thank you.
All right. Then move to your ALC meter, and with your mic gain in hand, adjust your ALC level to where your meter is running mid-scale to 2/3. Mid-scale to 2/3 on your ALC meter with the adjustment on your using your mic gain.
Okay, I have a friend writing this down for me as I drive, so we're keeping up with you.
All right, and then does that radio have EQ, or do you know?
I believe it does.
Okay, if it does have EQ, I would crank a couple of dB more on the top end from where you are. 2 dB additional clicks from where you are on the EQ top end treble.
Okay, got that.
Alrighty, and then give me a shout, and we'll see what you sound like, Roger.
Okay, we'll try to get that done, and I'll see if you're still in the air.
All right, sir. Just give me a shout. You should be about 2 to 3 times louder, apparent louder than what you are, Roger.
Roger, thank you.
Roger, Roger. And what was the name there again, please?
Handle is Randy, Richard, Adam, Nancy, David, yesterday.
Roger, Roger. I forgot the Y when I wrote it down, so I was trying to figure out what is his name. All right, 3s for now, and give me a shout later when you get all that cranked in. This is KC9VKV in the Friday afternoon Qso-Vlog network. If you've got a radio you want to check out, give us a shout. KC9VKV listening.